Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Princess Monet, and today I'm back with another video. Today's makeup look has been inspired by Leslie Marie 1213. I've been following this girl for since forever. I think she's so pretty. Her makeup skills are bomb. I love her videos. So I saw her post this and I was like, I have to recreate this look. Whether it looks good on me or not, I just want to try it, and I freaking ended up really loving it. Me personally, I feel like this look is so pretty. Let me know what you guys think below. If you guys do want to see how I got this look, then you already know what to do. Keep watching. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Tape Shape. Why do I say tape shape? I freaking always do that. Shape Tape. I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape. Okay, there you go. And I'm going to cover my lid using this Morphe M224 brush. I'm going to cover the whole entire lid. So I'm going to go over my whole lid to make sure I have a solid base, and doing this will make the colors brighter. That's what we want. So I have my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I dropped it, so the ones on the bottom are fried. Super cracked. This one is missing. I think it was black. I don't even remember. Okay. Anyway, though, I'm going to go in with this hot pink that's at the top. They have this palette has a whole bunch of pinks right here, but this one is the brightest. I don't know if you could tell on camera, but definitely in person, this is the brightest. So I'm gonna go in with my Morphe 441 brush, dab into that pink. I don't know if I'm using the right brush. I feel like I might not be, but I feel like this one isn't as fluffy as I should be using, but whatever. I'm gonna be going in on the outer corners on both of the eyelids. Let me just start off with this one first. So I went a little bit more than I was planning to in the middle, but whatever, that's fine. And I only went a little bit past the crease. I don't want to go up too high. I'm gonna eventually blend out the edges a little bit. But next I'm gonna go in with orange, and I'm gonna be using, see, this is more fluffy. I probably should have used this for the pink. I'm gonna go in with the M51A. Am I showing it? I don't even think I'm showing it. Whatever. And I'm going to be going in with this orange right here. And placing this in the middle. Okay, so for some reason the orange was like getting really patchy, so instead of going like this or like this, I started just like dabbing it into place. which it's okay, it still looks fine that way. As long as the whole lid is covered, that's what we want. So now for the inner corner, I'm going to go in with this green at the top next to this light yellow. And I'm going to be going in using my Morphe M456, right? Yeah, M456 brush. The star of the show. This brush is giving me fallout, but it's okay. Okay, so right now I'm gonna take the pink brush. So right now I'm gonna take the brush that I used for the pink. I didn't add more color. I'm actually gonna start tapping out some that was on it, and I'm going to blend out the edges. Just blending out the edges makes everything look even better. Now I'm going to go in with the orange, the same one, and I'm going to blend that out just a little bit more, just like I did with the pink one. I definitely have to finish. I'm not just going to stay like this, obviously. I mean, I hope you guys would know that. But yeah, I'm just going to do the same thing on this eye, and then I will be right back. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with this yellow next to the orange that I had used, and I'm gonna use this Morphe M431 brush. I'm gonna take a little bit of that and place it on the inner corner. There you go. I don't know, I feel like that was necessary. So now that this is finished, I'm going to be putting on some falsies. I'm not sure what brand this is, so I'm sorry if you ask me. I don't want to lie. I really do not have no idea what brand this is. But yeah, I'm going to place some and then I will be right back. Okay, so now that I have the lashes on, I feel like lashes always make a huge difference. But now that I have that on, I'm going to go back in with the Take Me Back to Brazil palette and follow the colors that I already have at the top. So using this NYX professional makeup brush that my aunt Izzy got. Shout out to my aunt Izzy. I love her so much. I'm going to show you why she's the best. Look what it says right there. Let me see if it's focusing. Let me put this behind. It says Princess Monet. Titi, if you're watching this, I love you so much. You're the freaking best. Oh my god, what a blessing you are to my family. No, but seriously, I love you so much. Thank you for this brush. I'm gonna, well, as you can tell, I did use it before. I did another neon look the other day and I went nowhere, so I took it off. But I'm going to follow the colors that I have at the top, and the fact that this brush is like, I feel like it's perfect for the bottom because you need like something really precise. Alright, so now that that is done, my Aunt Izzy, she did give me another brush with my freaking name on it. Once again, I'm just gonna say I love you so much, and I really love this gift. I'm gonna take this fluffy brush from NYX, and I am going to wipe away the extra color that, you know, I had from the fallout. It might get into my skin, but it's okay because I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape and conceal under my eyes. So lately I've been using this mascara. It is a sample from Sephora, but I need the bigger one because it's become my favorite mascara. I go from this one and my CoverGirl Lash Blast, but I'm gonna use this for the bottom lashes, and then I will show you how that poppin'. Oh my gosh, I think this is probably my favorite look. I think it's so pretty. My face makeup has been on for like 10 hours now. I didn't even bother redoing my makeup from the makeup that I had earlier on. Even my lip gloss is still on. I have on Kylie lip right now. I think it's Literally, and then I put, where is it? Oh, it's right here. I use this L'Oreal Galaxy holographic lip gloss. I think it's so pretty. Up close, it has like all the colors. See, it's still on. Wow. These two lip glosses are popping together. I don't know, I guess because it's like holographic, I feel like it goes with this neon. I thought it was gonna be too much, but I don't think it's too much. I think it's just right. I think it looks good together. And then I feel a neon outfit. Real quickly, let me tell you about this outfit. I ordered it last year in a size small, and they sent me a freaking extra large from Fashion Nova, and I just forgot to return it. So this is the extra large. Oh, look at my bra, you see? This is the extra large. I had to like stuff. Well, it doesn't look terrible. It doesn't look terrible, but it's definitely like nowhere near my size. Like, you don't even want to see. I'm not even going to show you the bottom. Or should I? I should. Look, I still have the tag. So if anyone is an extra large and wants this, wait, where's the tag? If anyone is an extra large and wants this, let me know. But you see where I was getting at. If this was a size small or medium, I feel like it will be great. But it's not. Okay, so that is it for today's makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and please share my videos. That helps me as well. I'm really feeling myself right now. I'm probably going to take some pictures. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.